Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mandy. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write 10 weather words. And now let's grab your pen and paper and let's get started. The first one, 第一个，天气，天气。天气 means weather. Let's dive into the Hanzi. 天 which means sky and day. Here are several Hanzi which are quite similar to 天 and I would like to introduce to you. And the first one, 第一个，第一个，人，人 which means people, because you can see it looks like a people standing. And the people stretch their arms. Imagine this is the arms. That would be 大，大 which means big. The third one, 天，天 you can see on top of the 大 there's one more stroke that is 天 and which means sky, because the sky is on top of the big things. Let's continue. 气，气 means air. So 天气 the sky air, the day air, that would be weather. Okay, now let's practice with the Hanzi. Now we have a 田字格. You can see here we have a square and it's called 田字格. And let's try to write the 天 in the 田字格. 一、二、三、四. Make sure the second stroke is longer than the first stroke. Okay? Let's write the 气. 一、二、三、四. Very good. Let's practice with sentence. 今天天气很好，我们去公园吧。Let's read with the 拼音。今天天气很好，我们去公园吧。Very good. And the meaning, 今天 today, 天气 weather, 很好 very good, 我们 we, 去 go, 公园 park, 吧 is like a suggestion marker. It's like let's do something. Okay? So 我们去公园吧. Let's go to the park. If you want to practice with more instructions, actually you can download the slide of this video with a lot of 田字格 instructions from my Patreon, Mandy Mandarin. I'll drop the link down below in my description box. So now let's move on. 下一个是晴天，晴天，晴天 means sunny. The 晴 which means sunny. On the left side of the 晴, this is a sun radical, so it's related to sun and solar. 天, we have that already. We know it's sky and day. So 晴天 together means sunny day, sunny sky. Let's practice in the 田字格. The 晴, it's a left-right structures, and the left side is smaller, the right side is bigger. Let's try. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十、十一、十二。Very good. Let's write 天、一、二 Remember, the second stroke is longer than the first one. 3、4. Very good. Okay, let's get to the sentence. 今天是晴天，我们去海边。今天是晴天，我们去海边。Okay, translation. 今天 today 是 is 晴天 sunny day 我们 we 去 go to 海边 beach Very good. So 今天是晴天，我们去海边。第三个 the third one 阴天阴天 means overcast. It just means the weather is not bright, it's kind of dark. 阴 which means shadow and shady. It's not bright. 天 we know that. Day, sky. So 阴天 together, that's shadow day, shady day, dark day, overcast. Let's try to write the 阴天 in a 田字格。阴 it's a left-right structure. 一 Okay, see, the first stroke is kind of tricky, but you can do it. 二、三、四、五、六 Very good. The 天一、二、三、四很好。阴天的时候，我想睡觉。Let's read again. 阴天的时候，我想睡觉。Translation. 阴天 overcast. 的时候 it's a structure. When it's what time? Okay? So 阴天的时候 when it's overcast. 我 I 想 want 睡觉 sleep. 我想睡觉 I want to sleep. Okay? So 阴天的时候我想睡觉。Move on to the next one. 下一个。多云。多云。多云 means cloudy. The 多 means a lot. 云 is cloud. So 多云 together, it's a lot of cloud. So that would be cloudy. Let's try to write it in the 田字格。The 多 is a top-bottom structure, and the top part is slightly smaller, and the bottom part is slightly bigger. Let's try. 一、二、三 Now you just need to copy it again, but slightly bigger. 一、二、三 Very good. 很好。And the 云一、二、三、四多云。Let's try the sentence. 天气预报说下午多云。天气预报说下午多云。Let's get to the translation. 天气 weather 预报 forecast 说 say 下午 afternoon 多云 cloudy. So 天气预报说下午多云。下一个 next one 下雨下雨下雨 means rainy. The 下 it's a very interesting word because it looked like an arrow pointing down. So it's easy to guess that 下 the meaning is to drop or down. As for the 雨, it's also interesting. You can picture it as a window. And now you're sitting in the house, you're looking outside, outside is raining, and you can see the raindrop through the window. Yeah, that's how you remember it easily. So 雨 means rain. 下雨 together, drop the rain. The rain's down, so it's rainy. Let's try to write in the 田字格。下一二三 Very good. 雨 Let's try to write a 雨一二三四 You can picture it as a window frame. And now let's fill it in with the raindrop. 一二三四 Very good. 下雨了，记得带雨伞。下雨了，记得带雨伞。下雨 It's rainy. 下雨了 which means it's raining. It's a state. Now is raining. The 了 can represent past tense and a state. And in this case, 下雨了 it refers to a state, which is rainy state, rainy situation. 记得 remember. 带 bring. 雨伞 umbrella. 雨 it's rain. 伞 is umbrella. And the 伞 so cute because the 伞 just look like a tiny umbrella. So, 下雨了，记得带雨伞。下一个 next one. 下雪下雪下雪 means snowy. 下 we just learned about it. That is down and drop. 雪 it means snow. And we just learned about the 雨, right? 雨 Here's the window. Here's the raindrop. This is the 雨, which means rain. And as for the 雪, you just have one more thing at the bottom. And actually, think about it. Snow is kind of like an ice form of rain, right? If the rain drop, it go right into the ground and disappear. But the snow is different. The snow will stay on the ground. Okay, now let's try to write in the 田字格。下一二三下。雪 is a top-bottom structure. 雪 we have a rain on the top. And then at the bottom, very good, 雪 Let's try the sentence. 下雪了，我们可以堆雪人。下雪了，我们可以堆雪人。下雪 snow. The 了 is just like we explained before. The 了 can refers to past tense or the state. So in here, the 了 it means the state or the situation. 我们 we 可以 can 堆 means to pile up, to build up. So now it's build. 雪人 snowman 雪 snow 人 people 雪人 snow people, that is snowman. Okay? 下雪了，我们可以堆雪人。下一个，刮风，刮风，刮风 means windy. 刮 it means to shave. The right part of the 刮, this is a knife radical. The knife radical is related to cutting, shaving, peeling, etc. 风 is wind. So 刮风 together, shave, wind, that's windy. So you can imagine it when there's wind come, it's like the air breathing on the surface. It's kind of like gently shaving the surface. Now let's write in the 田字格. 刮 it's a left-right structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 风 is an easy one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 很好。Let's get to the sentence. 这里的冬天常常刮风。这里的冬天常常刮风。这里 here the it could be a possessive marker or an adjective marker. It's kind of like the s in English. 冬天 winter. So 这里的冬天 here's winter. So that would be the winter here. 常常 often. 刮风 windy. 这里的冬天常常刮风。下一个，打雷，打雷，打雷 means thunder. The 打 it means to beat. Interesting fact about the 打 on the left side, this is a hand radical. So the hand radical is related to hand movement, like beating, pushing, pulling, etc. Now we have lei. Lei is the thunder. I believe you have noticed that. On top of the lei, it's the rain radical. Yes, usually when there's thunder, there's gonna be rain. Let's try to write them in the 田字格. 打 it's a left-right structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 很好. 雷 it's a top-bottom structure. There's quite many strokes. On top, we need to write the rain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Here's something I need to remind you. When you write the 语 character, it goes 1, 2, 3. So here it has a hook. But when the rain character turns into the rain radical, it changes a little bit. It goes 1, 2, 3, So here, the hook is here. So the difference is when it serves as a character, it's a very complete. But when the character turns into a radical, because the radical is smaller, so it kind of have to give up some strokes and become the simpler version of the original character. Okay, now let's try the sentence. 我害怕打雷。我害怕打雷。I 害怕 afraid of 打雷 thunder 我害怕打雷 I'm afraid of the thunder 我害怕打雷下一个闪电闪电 The 闪电 means lightning 闪 which means flash 电 it means electricity. So 闪电 the flashing electricity. So that would be lightning. And just a little heads up, the 电 is very, very practical. You can see 电 a lot in the words that's related to electronics. Okay, let's try to write 闪电. The 闪, it's a half surround structure. And we're going to write from the outside to the inside. 1, 2, 3, and then fill in the inside. 4, 5. Very good. And you might see, wow, I can see a 人 in it. 人, okay, very good. That's people. So what is it on the outside? Well, actually, it's also a character. It's 门, which means door. So people in the door, which means flash. Well, yeah. The original meaning of the 闪 is that a person standing at the door peeping inside. So this person have to be quite sneaky and he will have to escape from the scene immediately. And that's kind of the concept of flash. Okay, let's try to write 电 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. 打雷闪电的时候，别出门，很危险。打雷闪电的时候，别出门，很危险。Okay. 打雷 thunder. We just learned about it in the last page. 闪电 lightning 的时候 when it's something something. So 打雷闪电的时候 when there is thunder and lightning. 别 don't. 出门 go out. 门 isn't it the door? Yes. And 出 means out. Out of the door, which means go out. 出门. So, 别出门 don't go out. 很 very. 危险 dangerous. Okay? 打雷闪电的时候别出门很危险。下一个有雾means foggy. 有 means have. 雾 is fog. So see, again, the 雾 have a rain radical in it. Okay? Let's try to write it in the 田字格。有1, 2, 3, 4. 5 6 Very good. 雾 雾 is a top-bottom structure and it's quite complicated, but we can do it. Let's try to write the rain radical. 雨 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13很好 Let's try the sentence. 有雾的时候，开车要小心。有雾的时候，开车要小心。有雾 foggy 的时候 when something something. So 有雾的时候 when it's foggy. 开车 drive. 要 need to. 小心 careful. 开车要小心 Driving needs to be careful. So be careful to drive. 有雾的时候，开车要小心。Very good. That's all for today's video. We learned 10 weather words. They are 天气、晴天、阴天、多云、下雨、下雪、刮风、打雷、闪电、有雾。You got it? If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more video. If you want to download the slide of this video, you can find it on my Patreon, Mandy Mandarin. I'll drop the link down below in the description box. Well, that's all for today. I'm Mandy. I'll see you in the next video.